So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, fellow builders. I know it has been a while. It's been a couple months. Anyone that is new to the channel, thank you very much. We are really close to 250 subs, and I haven't posted a video in like 2 or 3 months. So I'm glad that, you know, videos are finding everybody kind of organically without me having to push them on people too much. So that's good. But today is very exciting. It is technically round 3 of the SpecP71 racing series. It's at Big Willow today, so we're just heading out. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween, everybody. I don't know if anyone else is wearing a costume, but we got one on under here for when it warms up a little bit, so we'll show that off a little bit later as well. But like I said, we just left the house, so we hit the track in like 5 minutes. For those of you who don't know what the SpecP71 Racing Series is, I'll put the link to their site down below, but basically it's exactly what it sounds like. The P71 was the factory code for Crown Vic police interceptors, and the organizer, I guess, really likes Fords and Crown Vics, so he started a spec race for these Crown Vics. And spec race meaning like all the cars are supposed to be the same within a confined set of rules, basically. So there's no performance advantage one way or the other between cars. It's all based on the driver for the most part. Now, I don't have a Crown Vic, I have a Chevrolet Caprice, so that actually puts me in the quote-unquote super interceptor class, and that's kind of an open class right now. I think later on he might open it up a little more. I don't know if he's going to add more classes or add some restrictions with the interceptor classes, or exactly what he's going to do. But the last race, I think there was only 4 spec guys, and there's 2 of us in super interceptor, one of them being a Crown Vic. Now we're just waiting in line at the track, so pick back up with the video once we get inside.
What is up, fellow builders? Sorry that there is nothing in between that last clip and this one. I'm really bad about recording at the track, so I just have some GoPro and cell phone footage with data overlay. So I hope you enjoy this video of the track, and we have another track day coming up, and I'm going to try and get some better footage. So hope you enjoy.
How's it going?
Alright, where this light come from with the color on the side? I can get those in front because that's what we were gonna put on me and Joe's vehicles.
All the lights came on the car when I bought it.
Oh really? It's an auction car?
Yeah.
So it's an undercover car?
I think it had a light bar on the top. You can kind of see where it was.
Where they had the bracket here?
Yeah. And then it had a cage in it.
These little things I can get off. I haven't seen one. I have to look at the white ones I can get.
Yeah, I think they just drilled a hole in it.
Right, and there's a special light. It's a special light that makes that white light that blinks that fast.
Yeah, I guess.
It's not regular. It ain't regular. It ain't that expensive either.
Yeah, probably not. I'm sure you can find them on eBay.
Oh yeah, that's what I did. Take care, man. Be careful out there.